What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Again, doing something a little bit different today. I'm actually going to be playing with one of my toys, my KTM, my Superduke. So I got something new for it in the mail. Pretty pumped about it. Found it on one of my Facebook groups, Track Day Junkies. So what I've got for you guys is this Austin Racing slip-on exhaust. So I've ran the stocker since I got the bike brand new. Honestly, I've always kind of liked how quiet it is, but now I kind of just want to change it up. So got the Austin Racing. It's a little dirty. We'll go ahead and clean that up. Should be a pretty easy install. It's something I do like about my KTM. So we'll go ahead and pop that off. But first, let's give you guys a sound test so we can compare and contrast. So. Oh my god, it's awesome.
It's awesome.
Well, there you guys go. As you guys could hear from the video, I am extremely pumped about this exhaust. I was thinking, just do a slip-on. If that's not enough, I could always, get the Austin Racing link pipe or, get all the way from the headers back. But I think I'll be pretty happy with that sound. Definitely a little bit louder than what I'm used to. I'm gonna go ahead and do a road test. Probably make a separate video for that. I've got plenty of just stock sound before, so we'll go ahead and put a compare and contrast to that. But besides that, weight savings, obviously quite a bit lighter. I didn't take the pounds or anything like that, but just looking at it, I'll go ahead and throw up a picture here real quick. I mocked it up. It's probably about 4 inches shorter as well, so there's a difference between the two cans right there. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you're on the fence about getting an Austin Racing or any exhaust for your Duke and you're kind of sick of the sewing machine sound that you cannot hear above 40 miles an hour, definitely looking to getting a slip-on. So at some point I'll probably do a remap. I've got nothing else done to the bike, otherwise it's basically stock. So no SAS removal, no power commander, no air filter. So I've had the bike for about 3 years now. I've got about 7,000 miles on it, so it was time to just try something new. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll put a few more clips here for you guys. Thanks.